Hello viewers, welcome to a special program by Chitkara School of Mass Communication. Today we are going to talk about the water shortage and stubble burning problems in Punjab. To discuss this serious issue, we have Dr. Ramkumar with us. Dr. Ramkumar, who is the professor at Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence, and we are at Center of Liquid Crystals Research Center at Chitkara University. So, welcome to our special program, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity.
Sir, as you specialize into cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and biomass energy, so what landed you to conduct the research in the agriculture field?
Actually, ma'am, yeah, you are correct. I am from computer science background. Basically, I am from Tamil Nadu, ma'am. Tamil Nadu is known for its agricultural activities and farming activities, and we have a lot of traditional knowledge, traditional farming, everything we do. But there is a very big problem created by one aggressive invader. The name is, the scientific name is Prosophis juliflora. In Hindi, we say Vilayati kicker. Okay, so if you see this wooden piece, right? Actually, this particular plant is introduced in Tamil Nadu and India, all over India during 90s, 60s for managing the drought. Because for one decade, there was a heavy drought and people were unable to perform the regular farming activities. So that is why government of India and Tamil Nadu, they introduced this plant, because the farmers can have their, they can meet out their daily expenses by growing this plant. This plant, it is drought resistant, but it is also causing drought. That is the problem. It can grow like the root of these plants can go up to 300 feet or 200 feet to tap the groundwater fully, and it can colonize at a very faster rate. This plant will not allow any other vegetation to grow along with it, and the birds cannot build their nest on top of it because they cannot hatch their eggs, and animals also cannot eat the leaves. And there is one pod and a flower kind of thing, so it spreads at a very faster rate. It doesn't require any water. In semi-arid and arid lands, it will grow at a very faster rate. Okay. If groundwater is unavailable, it can absorb moisture from air. Okay. Again, it can survive. So it is a very strongest competitor for our local vegetation. So what happens? Farmers are growing this plant to make a firewood and charcoal. And of course, since they no need to maintain anything, it is an easy income for them. Right. On the other hand, if you see, when it is grown more and more, the groundwater is getting depleted at a faster rate. So they cannot grow any other major crops. Right. So that question was in my mind, how to solve the problem. People are talking about this problem, but majorly nothing is happening to eradicate these plants. And I joined at Chitkara University in 2016. In Punjab also I could see the same problem is there. But here in Chitkara University, we have a complete ecosystem, like interdisciplinary research. Okay, it is our main focus here. Then I started to work with my friends who are having good expertise in this domain. Then we sorted out some problems, how to eradicate these plants and how to solve this problem. So that way my journey started.
Right. So probably it will be very correct to say, because you just saw the problem in Tamil Nadu, and then when you shifted to Punjab, yes, you could see the similar problems being faced by the farmers. True. Right? Those who are into vegetations. So there might be similar plants, those who are extracting all the water, they are like extracting all the water from the ground levels, and they are just creating the shortage.
Yes.
So what is the solution towards it? What sort of a plan should the farmers, or they should reverse or do something, other plants should be planted so that the water tables could be maintained?
You are correct, ma'am. There is one more plant, eucalyptus, right? It is commonly found everywhere. So these two plants are playing a major role to deplete the groundwater at the faster rate. So what we found, like if we go and ask them to eradicate all the plants, nobody is ready because they don't want to lose their income. So then we should give one alternative approach to them. So what we planned, first we will be eradicating these plants. So when we eradicate these plants, farmers are having only one choice, making charcoals. But instead of that, we can do some value addition to it. So the first primary thing is, whenever you take any wooden piece, inside this we have two major components. One is a lignin, it's a water liquid component. Then we have carbon. carbon binding is there. So what we will do first by performing some chemical processing, will be extracting lignin. Lignin has many industrial applications that I'll come to later. Then after extracting lignin, we can burn and we can make activated charcoal. Then if we process it chemically, we can get activated charcoal. So the activated charcoal has many industrial applications. I can show one to you. You see, this is a dye that we collected from industry. How strong it is. When it is treated with activated carbon, the water purification can happen at this level. Within a day, we are able to achieve this result. So similarly, the lignin, whatever is extracted from this, that also has many industrial applications. So the first step is making biomass energy from these plants by eradicating it. The second stage would be like we will be recommending them to grow some nature friendly plants, like we have karanj, aloe vera, nerium flower. There are many other nature friendly plants. When we grow it, automatically it can bring back the groundwater level. So it is, we can say it is a scientific transition.
Right, right.
From Prosophis juliflora to other nature friendly plants.
So this is like one of the the issue which is causing a problem. So there
Yes.
might be others also which is leading to the water shortage and reducing the depletion of the water tables.
Yes.
So what are the other reasons, like that could be?
Apart from these plants you are asking,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
generally, ma'am, globalization, global warming.
Industrialization also leads to a lot of
Yes, industrialization is a major cause, because
Right.
all water bodies are getting polluted like anything, right? And there are strict norms to be the water should be purified, then only it should be released into the water bodies. But in most of the cases, it is not happening. In recent days, also we have seen that the Yamuna River from Delhi, it was in news channels, right? A lot of
Right.
pollutants have been found.
Right.
And the local residents of Delhi, they faced that whenever they opened their tap, chemical
Yes.
water started to come.
Right, right.
So it is a cyclic problem. So researchers should come together to solve this problem.
Right. So Chitkara University, also because you're working into it and you have done a lot of work into it due to your interest.
Yes.
So can you just talk about little bit about your research, like how the pollutants could be treated, maybe the even certain methods through which the agriculture, the farmers also could treat the pollutants or the impure water and could be used for the agriculture purposes.
There are standard methods and procedures they follow. But generally, activated carbon is one of the best solutions to purify water and air. For air purification and water purification, they use activated carbon. What they do currently now, they will take coconut shells to make activated carbon, and commercially it is made available to everyone for the water purification. But our solution is an alternative for that, because coconut shells are available in certain regions. Only in limited areas like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, coconut trees are available. But these plants are found everywhere. Entire India, in Punjab also, I was surprised to see that these plants are
Available.
found everywhere.
Everywhere.
One more thing is like in industrial areas, actually the soil quality, the land quality of industrial areas very bad, right? We cannot grow any other plants. But this plant would be a good solution for them. They can grow these plants because it purifies also. It
Okay.
absorbs the heavy metals also.
Okay.
So it is a boon and ban
Both.
at the same time, both.
Right.
It should be grown in the industrial areas where the arid and polluted lands, semi-arid lands, so there we can grow, not in the agricultural lands.
Right.
So our solution would be like eradicating these plants from agricultural lands, make biomass energy, introduce some nature-friendly plants.
Right.
Then for continuous supply, we can grow these plants in the industrial areas, arid and semi-arid areas. So that way.
Right. So, sir, another, because how much, like you have been applying this research for the patents also and for the government projects also, like how much government is supportive towards putting up using, because this is a lab testing,
Yes, yes,
and
ma'am.
just using it for a commercial purpose needs a lot of investment and putting up
Yes, ma'am.
equipments. So how much feasible is that?
First, in our university, Chitkara University is providing a complete ecosystem. Like a patent felicitation, they are supporting us. So we have patented our idea, first point. The second thing is like government is giving, they announce so many call for like for R&D projects, and they give financial support also to us. Recently, we have been supported by PEDA, Punjab Energy Development Agency. So they found our idea is good, and they have given a cash award to us, and we are talking to them, like we are in talking terms with them to how to take it further. First thing. Second thing is the international agencies like Elsevier is a reputed journal. So there was a challenge, Elsevier Green Chemistry Challenge by 2018, and we have been shortlisted. So out of 1,600 proposals submitted, we were at top 5. So to propose these ideas. And National Geographic Channel, there also we got some funding to take it further. And Microsoft Corporation, they also do some CSR, corporate social responsibility activities. So there also we got some funding. Now we approach the Indian government to take it further, and we are approaching different platforms where we can get funding to develop it as a mass scale. So these are our trials.
Right. So whatever water you purify from this method, right? Where it could be used, all like
Actually, in current scale, you could see the discoloration happened here, but still it should be further treated with a UV treatment to kill all microbes growth, and probably in this level we can use it for washing clothes, washing vessels. For drinking water, we need to do further processing into it, and we are testing it.
So do you do some community engagement activities for making the community awareness about the crop diversification, or provided if they're not able to use this plant, so what all alternatives that they do have?
We are planning it, ma'am. To be very frank, because we were waiting for the lab results. Now results have come, and for that we need funding, and we need manpower also to reach the local community. And in our personal note, we went and approached. See, actually farmers are showing interest only, but they don't know what to do. See, they don't want to lose their income, no, day-to-day income. Like, see, if they cut this wood, if they sell it for, you say charcoal, 13 rupees per kg, without any maintenance, for every 3 months they have some income. So they don't want to lose it. So when we approach them, when we educate them, or I can say not educate, when we approach them, when we explain the process, farmers are ready to adapt this. Because I was talking about the other nature-friendly plants, the currants plant. Currants plant has some seed. So that seed is called as oil seed. From there we are able to extract biofuel. And the currant plant leaves, it has many medicinal properties. And the currant plant flowers, that also has a lot of medicinal properties. Instead of this plant, if they start to grow that currants, that plant also doesn't need any maintenance. With a low quantity water, that plant also can grow. And what our projection here is, like, we'll be taking one sample land, 1 or 2 acres. We'll be eradicating these plants completely. So in outer layer, we'll be planting currant. Then in next layer, we'll be planting Bermuda grass. In next layer, Nerium flowers. Then in center, we'll be planting aloe vera. So farmers will get some continuous income for their own sustainability. We feel that the quality of land will improve. Of course, the groundwater table will increase. So that we want to plan.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your research and your insights with us. And thank you for taking out time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And it's a great thing for us, like to have better visibility about our work, whatever we are doing here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.